Module 4, Lesson 11's objective is to represent subtraction with and without the decomposition of 110 as 10 ones with manipulatives. Item 1 says solve using mental math. I will do the first row, telling you how I'm thinking as I'm solving the problems. Maybe that will help you solve the second row. Item A, 6 minus 5. When I think of 6 minus 5, I think of this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 5. When I see 6 minus 5 in my mind, right away I see 1 left over. Now, looking at 26 minus 5, I see that it looks just like the first problem. The only difference is that there's a 2 in front of the 6. That 2 is in the tens place. And 2 groups of 10 is 20. So I know that the answer to 26 minus 5 is going to be 20 more than the answer to 6 minus 5. So the answer to 6 minus 5 is 1, and 20 more than that is 21. Looking at the next problem, 26 minus 6, it looks just like the second problem. There's a 26. This time, they're just taking away 1 more. They're taking away 6 instead of 5. And 6 is 1 more than 5. So if I take 1 more away from 21, I get 20. And the last problem in this row looks just like the previous two. 26 minus 7. Again, there's the 26 right at the beginning, but this time they're taking away 1 more than the previous one, which only took away 6. So if I took away 1 more and the previous problem's answer was 20, now I'm only left with 19. Now, use the same kind of thinking to solve row B. Item 2. Solve using your place value chart and number discs, unbundling a 10 when necessary. The first thing I'm going to do is underline those important directions using your place value chart and number discs. Okay, item A, 36 minus 5. I'll go ahead and draw my place value chart. Here are my 1s and here are my 10s. Now I'll draw the number 36. 36 has 6 1s. When I draw those number discs, I'm going to make sure that I only put 5 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 3 10s in 36. 1, 2, 3. Now, all I have to do is cross out 5 because I'm getting rid of 5. 36 minus 5 means you're getting rid of them. So there, I've crossed out my 5 1s. Now I can see that there are 3 10s and 1 1 left in the illustration. That makes 31. For the next problem, 36 minus 7, I can use the similar illustration. Let me do a little erasing first. I'll put my markers back. Okay, there's 36. Wow, it says I'm supposed to take away 7, but when I look at the ones column, I only see 6. So how am I supposed to take away 7? Well, the answer is simple. We can borrow from the neighbor. This neighbor I'm going to borrow from is a group of 10. If I take and unbundle this group of 10, I'll put them in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have more than enough to take 7 away. All right, so now I can draw a line through 7. There's 5, 6, 7. When I look at the picture now, I can see that there are 2 left in the tens place and 9 in the ones place. That makes 29. Okay, now you use the same strategies that I did to solve the ones in 2A. Draw your place value chart, label it ones and tens, draw 37. 37 has 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 tens, 1, 2, 3. Now, cross out 6 ones, 5, 6, and write down the answer. 3 tens, 1 1. Now do the same thing again with 37 minus 8. Let me change this picture. Make it say 37 again. 37 minus 8. Oh my goodness, there are not 8 ones in the ones column. So borrow from the neighbor. Cross out that bundle of 10 and put it in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This time, cross out 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now write the answer. There were 2 tens and 9 ones. That's all you have to do. Now you finish the rest on your own. Don't forget, you can staple a piece of scratch paper to your homework sheet so that you can show your teacher that you followed directions.